This is how to service the tire mobility kit for a 2015 Ford Fusion Energi. Once you get this out of the back of your vehicle, it's under the trunk flap in the back of your car, you have to take the cords off. And then what you're doing is you're replacing the sealant, so this actually pops off. Just like that. And then from there, I actually use a nail punch to release this cord quite easily. Usually. And then the canister just rotates and pulls straight out. So then you replace this. I found a new bottle of it on eBay to service your mobility kit.